Good morning, Standard 10th. Welcome back to your geography class. And today is the third part of the chapter Agriculture. Today we'll be taking up millets. Millets, which are known as the coarse grain, जिसको कहते हैं मोटा अनाज. They are very important in India and they are known for their nutritional values. जो पतंजलि का मिक्स आटा का मतलब ही है कि वीट के साथ उसमें मिलेट्स मिले हुए हैं. In India, 3 types of millets are famous. First is jowar, second bajra and third ragi. So here we'll discuss jowar. It is a rain-fed crop. जो बारिश का पानी है उसी से इस क्रॉप को उगाया जाता है, अलग से पानी देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. It can be grown in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Second one is बाजरा. इस बाजरा पे कई तरह के हिंदी सॉन्ग्स भी बने हैं, भोजपुरी सॉन्ग्स भी बने हैं. सो बाजरा. It grows well on sandy soil and shallow black soil. यानी ये फिर से वाटर रेजिस्टेंट क्रॉप है, पानी की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. The major states producing bajra are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात एंड हरियाणा. बाजरे की रोटी बहुत फेमस है और लोगों को बहुत पसंद आती है. सो बाजरा. थर्ड इज रागी. रागी, it is rich in iron, calcium and other micronutrients and roughages. It grows well on red, black, sandy, loamy and shallow black soils. Major states producing ragi are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. These crops are grown well on the dry regions and they can be grown with very less water. So very much suitable for India. So we have completed the 3 types of millets: jowar, bajra and ragi. Next we'll take up maize, also known as corn, हिंदी में भुट्टा. This crop is both used as food and fodder. Food जो हम लोग खाते हैं और fodder जो animals खाते हैं यानी चारा, तो दोनों के काम में आता है. It is a kharif crop. It requires a temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and it grows well in old alluvial soil. Sometimes in some places it is also a rabi crop, and if you add scientific methods like HYV seeds, fertilizers and irrigations, it can also be grown in other parts of India. Like on the map you can see all the states where this maize can be grown. So the major producers are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. इसका भी आपको मेजर प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट्स याद रखना है. डार्क ब्राउन एरिया वो आपका दिखा रहा है मेजर प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट्स. ओके. देन जो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है और एक वेजिटेरियन के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, दैट इज पल्सेस, हमारी सारी दालें. So India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस भी करता है और सबसे ज़्यादा कंज्यूम भी करता है. They are a rich source of protein, especially for a vegetarian person. उसको प्रोटीन इन्हीं pulses से मिलता है. There are different types of dal or pulses. You can see in the picture also. अरहर, उड़द, मूंग, मसूर, पीस, ग्राम, ये अलग अलग तरह की दालें हैं. They need less moisture and can survive in dry conditions. Then they are leguminous. That means they are plants having nodules in which there is rhizobium bacteria which helps in fixing atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. So these plants, they help in maintaining the fertility of the soil, and therefore they are very important. And at many places they are grown in crop rotation along with other crops to maintain the soil fertility. Major states where it is grown is Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. These are the major food crops that we've covered. In the next class, we'll be doing other crops beside fruit crops, that is rubber and tea and so on. So till then, have a nice day, and do remember to write down all these points in your classwork copies. शुभ और मंगल आपका हो.